Meghalaya started the second Northeast Olympic Games football competition in the best way possible with a commanding 6-1 victory over Sikkim in their under-21 men's Group 2 match at the MFA turf, third ground polo here today. Meghalaya and Sikkim had the honor of playing the inaugural match under the new lights at the MFA turf that were introduced for the games. The players also had the privilege of meeting former India international footballer Sri Eugene Lingdo MLA before the start of the match and the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad K. Sangma, who presented the Man of the Match award of Shillong for his stellar performance.